Hello and welcome to another episode of Breakfast with Jody. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to take a focused look on an individual breakfast favorite. We're talking about a food that dates back to 1500 BC. We're talking about everyone's favorite, bacon.
I like bacon.
Right here I have some great maple applewood bacon. I like to use a baking sheet lined in foil. Then I'm going to top it with a cookie cooling sheet.
Did you know that the word bacon refers to the back of a pig?
You want to make sure your bacon is nice and spaced apart. You don't want it lumped on top of each other. I have the oven set at 375. We're going to bake it for about 15-20 minutes.
I want to eat it very bad.
Also, a 250-pound pig yields about 23 pounds of bacon.
Each year, the U.S. consumes 2 billion pounds of bacon.
So bacon is addictive. It contains 6 different types of umami. Umami produces an addictive neurochemical response.
Eating bacon is not really bacon. It's fully cooked pork rind.
Okay, about halfway through, we're going to want to take the bacon out and flip it over.
More than half the homes, 53%, keep bacon in their homes at all times.
So this is exactly what we wanted from our bacon. We wanted it fully cooked with a fine char at the very edge. As the final step, you're just going to want to towel away the extra grease.
Now that's good bacon!
And I also like unicorns, and it's up to date.